What's up everyone, my name is Costa, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create grids inside Photoshop. So first you need to go to View, then hover on Show, and here you can click on Grid. Now you get this tiny grids, so go to Edit, Preferences, and then Guides, Grid and Slices. And over here you can change the settings. For example, we can change the color to blue, and you can even custom the color. Let's say something else, maybe this type of blue. And here you can change the amount of the grids. So I will type 40, and over here we have subdivisions, which means these are the small grids inside these big grids. And if we type 1, we will remove all of the small grids and we will have only this bigger grids. So yeah, then click OK. Now if you wanna snap shapes to these grids, then go to Snap, and over here we have also some more options, and you need to check on the grid option as well. So let's create now something. Voila, and it snaps really well. And you can use these grids to create websites, logos, illustrations, and so on. So that's it guys, see you next time.